Have you seen these AI relaxing pigment mixing videos? They're insanely satisfying and ridiculously addictive, and they're blowing up everywhere online right now. Today, I'm showing you the exact step-by-step process to create your own. Let's dive in. Step 1. Generate the prompts. First up, we need to build our blueprint. Head over to ChatGPT and input the prompt I've dropped in the description below. It will first break down the option choice of different pigment mixing concepts. Pick your favorite one, then it will generate the specific image prompts and image-to-video prompts. Just grab that image prompt, and let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Generate the image. First, open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Once you open the software, go to AI Image, Image Generate, Text to Image. There are lots of viral models here, including the latest Seedance 5.0 Pro. Choose a model. I'm using GPT Image 2 for this task. Paste the image prompt, configure your resolution, aspect ratio, and output quantity, then simply hit Generate. You'll instantly get a high-quality scene image. To keep everything consistent, set your first image as a reference image. Then, input the prompt for image 2. With your image ready, let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Generate the video. Once your scene image is ready, go to AI Video. Click Reference to Video and choose Seedance 2.0. Upload your images, then paste the video prompt from GPT. Then, adjust your duration and resolution, hit Generate, and your video will be ready in minutes. Super easy, right? Now you can create endless, relaxing pigment mixing videos using any material you can think of. Ready to give it a try? HitPaw Edimakor is dedicated to making AI creation effortless and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the link in the description to try it yourself. See you in the next one.